Retired cop in pepper spray incident considers legal action.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Retired Superintendent of Police Altamoth Parro Campbell says he will be consulting his lawyers in relation to a controversial incident in which he was pepper sprayed by a police constable. Mr. Campbell is also chiding National Security Minister Dr. Horace Chang for saying it appears that the actions of the constable were reasonable. The retired superintendent says he will be giving a formal account to the police inspectorate about what transpired.
Yes, ma'am. Given my statement, so I will have to speak to my lawyer. I feel hurt more than the police who sprayed me in the face. The Honorable Minister should have waited the investigation. If he see the video and cannot make those utterances if he saw the video. I was brought up not in a rich home, but rich, with respect for elders, respect for authority. I protect policemen in uniform. Anybody in uniform, I show respect to them. The uniform, if you don't like the person in the uniform, you must respect the uniform.
Campbell says he feared for his life during the incident.
And nobody expects me, knowing me, to behave a certain way in the presence of my child. And if you see it, you see where I restrain myself, I talk with the police officer. If he was witty, he would have realized that this is somebody who probably didn't know what I'm talking about. You can't lock me up for me not have the driver's license. You should ask me some more questions as to what form of identification you have. You don't have your driver's license. And I was there. Look at the video. Penitent listening to the officer. And the officer sprayed me straight into my eye. My son is an asthmatic person. My son, we had to lock in the vehicle. Lock up in the vehicle, but I was fearful for my life.
Mr. Campbell says he was happy for the intervention of a senior policeman who drove to the scene shortly after he was pepper sprayed.
I was in fear of my life and my son's life. I was very happy when BSP Watson came there because I couldn't see. For more than 45 minutes, I couldn't see. My son said to some person I now realize when I see the video that it was some policeman he's talking to. You treat my father like that? A man who served for 40 years? More than a lot of politicians who are member of parliament and who are ministers.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.